Are you looking for the best motorcycle stands? In this video, we will break down the top 4 motorcycle stands on the market.
VideoWiki is a product review database in video format. Here we're a group of product research where we test, analyze, and research trending products. Our goal is to create a list of top picks with buying guides for every category based on the product's features, quality, price, and user feedback. If you choose from our list, you can be sure you'll be buying one of the best products available today. Make sure to check the products link down below in the description. And please like the video and subscribe to our channel to get more product reviews regularly.
At number 1. Safstar Rear Wheel Spool Stand. The beauty of a rear wheel stand is that you can use it alone to lift your bike and perform all the maintenance tasks like cleaning, changing and removing tires, and more. This Safstar Rear Wheel Spool Stand is of the best rated rear stands you can find on the market today. Despite going for a steal price, this stand provides you with some cool features that ensure hassle-free maintenance of your bike. It comes with a durable, welded steel construction which enables it to hold up to the weights of different bikes for years without getting torn or worn up. Even better, it features a glossy black finish which is resistant to rust and corrosion. The easy-to-install and operate stand is also designed to be easily adjusted to fit most sports bikes. This is good news for riders who own various motorcycles or repair shops that deal with a wide range of bike models. If you want a rear motorcycle stand that gives you the real bang for your buck, we highly recommend you to consider this Safstar stand as one of your top choices. From sturdiness to ease of use, universal fit, and fair pricing, this stand is hard to beat. At number 2. Condor Pit Trailer-Stop. If you're the type of person who wants peace of mind when it comes to your motorcycle, then Condor's stand should be your go-to. The brand promises its stand will completely lock your bike in place, so it's a great pick for transporting your motorcycle from place to place on a platform. Just tie it down with a few straps and you're good to go. Just make sure it fits your bike specs first. The stand can accommodate wheels that are between 15 and 22 inches wide. At number 3. Excel Gold Universal Triangle Motorcycle Stand. Not all bikes have a kickstand, and without doubt, it could be hazardous to simply lean your bike on the wall or lay it down on your garage floor. The Excel PST004 Gold Universal Triangle Motorcycle Stand is perfect for bikes without a kickstand. Its small yet concrete form will adequately solve your bike stand issues and ensure you can go to bed knowing that your bike is safely and comfortably parked. Only a stand made of high-quality material and the tenacity to hold up weighty vehicles can stand the test of time when it comes to supporting the weight of your bike. That's why the Excel Triangle Motorbike Stand made it to the top of our list, because of its phenomenal heavy-duty steel construction. This ensures this functional equipment will be able to withstand wear and tear caused by harsh weather conditions, dust, different terrains and surfaces, and even the usual day-to-day weather. Its petite and sizable structure takes up a small amount of space, allowing you to easily park it in your garage or walkway. It won't take a minute to mount and dismount the bike, so even when you are in a hurry, you'll achieve that in no time. At number 4. OxGord Universal Motorcycle Stand Lift. Who does not like a 2-in-1 combo offer? When you buy a rear stand, you often also have to think about buying a separate accompanying front stand. This may be tricky, especially if you prefer to use one brand for consistency and top-notch performance. The OxGord Universal Motorcycle Stand is a spectacular and distinct stand because of its inclusive combo feature. Now you can have a paddock stand that can completely lift both the front and rear wheels up without buckling or swaying. It's a great choice for most motorcycle types such as ATVs, sports bikes, and dirt bikes, making it one of the safest and most suitable options for motorbikes in general.